In the frozen silence of Antarctica lies a fracture in Earth's story. A cosmic visitor, rich in carbon, struck our world and set histories in motion. From embers and pressure came fuels and firestorms that reshaped the planet. Across continents, ancient memories survived in maps, myths, and stone. Science meets legend as we trace the scars beneath ice, oceans, and mountains. This is the Antarctic impact theory. The fingerprints we track on Earth echo across the solar system. Mars, Pluto, and Saturn carry parallel scars, and they tell one story.
Begin with Mars. Hellas Basin, one of the largest impact craters in the solar system, pressed deep into the crust and ringed by raised rim.
Opposite Hellas, the Tharsis Rise bulges the planet. Mass redistribution, mantle response, megavolcanoes aligned like a stress diagram.
Impact energy isn't just a crater. It's a global rebalancing. Load one side, flex the other. Planets remember.
Now Pluto. Sputnik Planitia, a bright, heart-shaped ice plain with cellular polygons, nitrogen ice overturning in slow convection.
Beneath that plain, mass anomalies and a likely subsurface ocean keep the shell mobile, an impact depression stabilized by ice flow.
Different worlds, same physics, impulse, relaxation, and long memory. Crater, uplift, creep, planetary handwriting.
Saturn's rings may be young, a shattered moon crossing the Roche limit. Tidal forces grind it into billions of icy fragments.
Fresh rings imply recent drama, debris stream, dynamic bands, gaps set by shepherd moons, a living remnant of breakup.
Across Mars, Pluto, Saturn. Parallel patterns, basins and bulges, planes and flows, rings and resonances, cosmic kinship.
Add comets, swarms and trains, multiple fragments, dusty tails, periodic encounters, punctuated risks leaving layered records.
Comparative planetology is our cross-check. If the physics fits many worlds, it likely fits ours, without special pleading.
In the lab, we map story to mechanism, impulse loads, viscous relaxation, convection cells, tidal shredding, then test predictions.
The result is a timeline of fingerprints, on Earth and beyond, aligning scars, flows, and rings with episodes of bombardment.
This isn't myth-chasing, it's systems reading. Geology, ice, and orbits speak a common language if we listen carefully.
Next, delivery systems. Planet 9, the Oort cloud, and how swarms arrive. The evidence points outward and back in.